Dear all, CollaNote is one of the best application you can use for note making, which is a very user-friendly app. And in this video, I'll be showing you about how to use CollaNote for making notes in a very effective way. You can download the app directly from our app store. You can simply just download it and use it for free. Basically, this is my iPad and I'm using this app on my iPad. I don't know whether it is available on the Android platform, but in iOS it is available for free. This app is very user friendly and you can prepare notes for any of the examination if you are preparing for UPSC or RBI grade B, SSC, or even if you are preparing for NEET or other entrance examinations, doesn't matter, you can use this CollaNote. Okay, it is a very wonderful app. So let us start this app. I have opened it. Let me open it. Okay, so the app has right now opened and you can see here that the app has various tools and all. We will come across all those, but before that I have to say that this app is having a paid version too. Okay, so let me show you what is actually in the paid version. You do not actually need this paid version. So there is a one-time purchase that is for 1500. You can purchase it for one time, but I have given a coupon code which is available right now at the time when I am planning to buy this. So just in the this promotion section, once you select it, you can give the coupon code and get it for 1000 rupees. Okay, this is a one-time purchase and you will be getting almost all the features in just 1000 rupees. Okay, 1000 or 1500 rupees, not a big deal. Okay, so let us move to the video on how to make notes effectively. See here carefully. I have created the folders RBI Grade B, SSC, UPSC Civil Service Examination, UPSC, EPFO and APFC examination. Okay, I have just taken samples of some of the top examinations in our country. If you are preparing for NEET or if you are preparing for other defense examinations, doesn't matter at all. This is going to be a very user-friendly one. So once you come to this platform, you can see this is given over here, all notes. So basically this is a outmost part of the app or the outmost part where you can create a folder and inside you can create multiple folders. Okay, so these are certain features just like flashcard, diary and connecting with people. So there are features like that. Once you come to the bottom, you can see if you want to take a quick note or import a PDF, or this plus sign has other features too, just like what type of note you need to create, just like whether the outline should be a lined one, just like in the grid one, whichever you require you can have it. Okay, so that's all not a great thing to look about it. Then you can create new folders and there are plenty of other settings you can look onto that. You will understand once you come across this. Okay, so what I did is that once I opened this all notes app, the CollaNote, when it comes to the all notes portion, there is a outermost portion. What I did was that I created a new folder. Basically, this public room and question room are the inbuilt folders that they have, and it has some other features. Okay, you can easily understand it once you look onto. So there is no much explanation required for it. So I selected this new folder option and a new folder was created. I have given the name it to be RBI grade B. Okay, SSC. Let it be UPSC Civil Service Examination. I have given the name. So whatever things I have to add for the UPSC Civil Service Examination, I can add in this folder. So don't just randomly create folders on this outline page. Instead, just create a single folder that is for UPSC Civil Service Examination. Once I enter into it, you can see with the all notes, I have entered into the section of UPSC Civil Service Examination. There I have created multiple folders. Got it. So in this multiple folders, how we are actually creating, just have this new folder. Just select that new folder option. You can either write here with this Apple Pencil or you can type it with the help of a keyboard. Okay, so just do that and you will be getting this type of folders in multiple ways. Okay, so that is one of the most basic thing I have to talk about. Then other than that, what you are actually seeing is these folders. You can import videos and everything like that. Okay, so let me select one folder in which I have added a file. Okay, so for the UPSC Civil Service Examination Current Affairs 2025 part, called as a bioffice PDF, that's from my platform, and I have imported the PDF. Okay, so once I imported the PDF, see how much of tools are available here. There are plenty of tools available here. You can easily understand the functions of this once you start using it. Why is cold desert biosphere reserve in use? So everything is actually given like that. Okay, you can use multiple colorings, you can use highlighters, that's of plenty of availability, and you can add n number of pages too. There are no limitations. Okay, so like this tool is very good for you. That is, this is actually basically an imported one, an imported PDF. Just in case if I want to create a quick note or something like that, I can just select this quick note option. So basically this platform arises and I can write anything, I can draw, or I can import file, I can even add this audio recording. What if I have to give some important audio notes, I can even save it by this particular page. Okay, we can just scroll it down, that is even with the page number it is given. So this is basically one of the best tool that you will come across, and it is free, and it is not at all a loss if you are buying the paid version too. Okay, you can later restore the purchases to other multiple devices if you want. You can just have all the features, and this is a one-time purchase, which is one of the best tools for actually for your note making. Okay, and I'm very satisfied with. I have used it for the past 5 to 6 days. It's really good. Okay, thank you.